किला वेल्स मातशें बेगीन करात. So Sateri versus Killa Wales. Mayur and Rajat. Mayur alias Kasturchan Natkani and Rajat Sawant. Good players, good speed hitters as well. So it's going to be an interesting match once again of 5 overs. Killa Wales. Sanesh. Both the teams, in fact, are very evenly balanced. Sanesh is a very popular cricketer, does the job with the bat, with the ball, great all-rounder. For Killa Wales, trying to set the field here how he wants. Here comes Sanesh against Mayur. I told you, both are wonderful switch hitters, and here it is a welcome Sanesh with that switch hit. काय बॉला प्रॉब्लेम ना बबलू कडे खूप बॉला. एक बॉल गेलो दुसरो इतलो. बॉल कोणा मेळ जाल्यार मातशें धाडात. परत एकदा स्विच हिट मारपाचो यत्न केल्लो पण स्विच हिट जालें ना कारण ही स्विच हिट एक असो शॉट जावन आसा ताणें सगळ्या बॉलराचो काळ हाडला कारण बॉलराक कळना लास्ट मिनटाक बॅट्समॅन स्विच हिटार वता. एक बरो बॉल सुद्दां वायड बॉल जावपाक शकता. सो बॉलराची सहजासहजी मिस्टेक आसना पूण एक बरो कमबॅक करता हांगा सनेश. पयले ताणें एक बॉल आशिल्लो तो मातसो रॉंग लायनीर आशिल्लो आनी तोच सारको उबारून मारिल्लो आसा स्विच हिट सारके पॉयंटाच्या दिशेन. परत एकदा बरो बॉल, फास्ट बॉल. पयल्या बॉलाक सुको मारिल्लो पूण ताजे नंतर 2 बॉल डॉट आनी हांगा एक सिंगल स्कोर पावला 7. आनी परत एकदा आनी एक ज्या मनशाक ज्या बॅट्समॅनाक बरो स्विच हिट आवडटा असो म्हणटा तो रजत सावंत. पॅटंट शॉट ताजो पूण तो तितलोच स्क्वेअर लेगाकय बरो खेळपाक शकता तितलोच मिड विकेटीकय बरो खेळपाक शकता. एक बरो प्लेयर रजत सावंत. बॉल चुकलो, फुल टॉस बॉल आशिल्लो. फक्त फिल्डरा वयल्यान जर तर इनर रिंगांतल्यान भायर गेल्लो जाल्यार ही डेफिनेट बाउंड्री आशिल्ली. एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मिस केली शाणेच्या बॉलिंगेक आनी स्कोर जाल्लो आसा 8. दोन्ही टिमी बऱ्यो दमदार आनी तगड्यो अश्यो टिमी आसात ह्या टुर्नामेंटाच्यो ह्या ग्रुपांतल्यो म्हणपाक शकता. परत एकदा बरो शॉट उखलून मारिल्लो आसा कव्हर्साच्या दिशेन एक्स्ट्रा कव्हर्साक फिल्डिंग केल्ली आसा फिल्डरान आनी अशे तरेन 2 रन मेळिल्ले आसा. त्या 2 रना फाटल्यान ही ओव्हर सनेशाची समाप्ती जाल्ली आसा आनी स्कोर जाल्लो आसा 10. Ishwar. Once again, he was going for the switch hit. This time he finds a gap. The ball is racing towards the fence for 4 runs. Although that was not very intended, but he got it fine enough and in between the two fielders, bisecting them. And enough power to get for 4 runs. That's the reason why I say the switch hits nowadays are a big headache for the bowlers. The last moment the batsman switches. Also, although the rules have been changed previously, when the bowler used to bowl round the leg side, then that wide was called, but ICC had changed it and allowed some respite for the bowlers to bowl it for both the sides of the wicket. This time he doesn't connect, straight to the keeper, and a dot ball. Switch hit, I guess, it should be a surprise. It should not look that you are playing a frequent shot. Almost every ball you are going for the switch hit. Once again he goes. Once again, good bowling here. Bowling it to the body line, almost towards the leg stump, which is difficult for the switch hitter to go for that offside. This should be wide down the leg side. Maybe he thought that the batsman is going for the switch hit once again, but batsman was staying on the crease where he took the guard. Down the leg side, wide signal, score moves on to 15. This is once again down the leg side, so giving extra runs, extra deliveries, extra runs. Maybe he's trying that a switch hit is playing in his mind. Maybe he has the fear that batsman might once again go for that switch hit. This is a wonderful swing of the bat. It should be a catch. Fielder was slightly slow, but in the end, the recovery was pretty good. Saved a boundary for his side. Actually, he could have gone for the catch. Slightly slow, didn't take the start. One more ball to be bowled in the second over. Score with those wide, and now a single moves on to 17. 2 balls still remain. 7 runs have come of the first 4 balls. Quite a decent over, enough for Sateri cricketers. They have got good depth in their bowling with this time also down the leg side, straying down too much here in this over. Sateri cricketers versus Killer Whales. Once again in the air, not timing it well. Should get only a single. Good piece of fielding by the fielder at deep square leg, fine leg region. Oh, that's a classic shot. Up and over the inner ring, wide outside the cover. This was easy 2 runs. There was a lot of time for both these players to run for two, but in the end, everything was okay with the second run completed quite handsomely. Never mind, a good, confident looking shot here for Rajat Sawant over the wide long off and covers region. After completion of two, the score is 21 without loss of any wicket. Once again, the misfield should be a second run. This was always a single. He didn't need to come that quickly to stop that. Sanesh won't be happy with that fielding effort, and that will give once again a strike to Mayur Nadkarni. Steady opening pair here for this side. Sateri, this is in the air. He has not timed it well. Has he found gap? He has found a gap perfectly. So on to 28. This time should be down the leg side. Wide signal. Trying to bowl the place. Maybe the argument was the batsman had shuffled across, and always every time the bowler feels that my ball is not wide, my ball is well within the line, and that's the reason why umpires are there. Continue with the match. Short ball, very nice, very quick here from Sanesh, and he's bowling in the right areas. He's hitting the deck hard, and he's getting the purchase from the wicket as well. There is a bounce on this surface, even with the tennis ball. There's a pretty good bounce. If you can get with the leather ball, then certainly you can get with the tennis ball as well. Score moves on to 30. Very good total being posted so far. This is just the third over. Once again, a full toss missed. So one more single, little bit more pace here from Sanesh, although it was a full toss ball, could have taken advantage here. Rajat. Mayur looks to be the one who can get those boundaries and sixes at this stage. Few dot balls have been played, especially by Rajat. And he missed some full toss as well. This is in the air. Who is taking the catch? A fielder coming underneath and takes a very good catch. First wicket down here for Sateri. Yeah, this should be a catch, and a catch is dropped. This is exactly what happens when it's your time, it's your time. ज्याचं येळ बरो त्याचो खेळ बरो. This is the perfect example of that. ज्याचो येळ बरो त्याचो खेळ बरो. This is once again, oh, this is a best switch hit. This is perfectly picked. Moving towards the 50-run mark, slowly moving to 38, but still a lot of balls left here for Rajat and Pushpashil Desai. Once again, very nicely played. Once again, a switch hit. And they are both fighting for the ball. They are both fighting for the ball, just like someone fights for one girlfriend. But still the girlfriend goes to the third one. So switch it is the mantra here for Rajat Samant, and all the chores which he has scored has come off switch it. This time, slight fumble, chance of a run out at this end, but he makes it in well. A bye signal here by umpire Abrar. Slight misfield, fumble here from the bowler. By the time he collects and throws it to Rachi, the single was easily taken. And that brings back Pushpashil Desai on strike. I was just mentioning about the Man of the Series award. That was a bicycle. Sorry, I guess it was a Activa. Oh, take that. The ball must have been searched here now. Bablu will get the new ball for you. One shot of 50. And in comes Selvin. Slightly short, but it was very nicely bowled. You can say, I can certainly say from here, from where I am giving the commentary. Slightly wide, good length ball. He wanted to cut that ball, but it was not possible. Dot ball. So once again in the air, but slightly short of the fielder at the point region. We'll rotate the strike, and 50 up here for Sateri cricketers in the 5th over. Definitely 10 runs per over is the minimum target that will be chased here by Killer Whales. Again, pivoting down towards the leg side. You want to get the second. Selvin wants the strike. Rajat going for the second run. And this is an easy run out. And in comes the run out wicket. Selvin has to go back. So once again, trying to swing. Whatever shots he has played on the leg side, they were not being either connected properly or did not cross the distance. But whatever he has played of the switch hit has fetched him a lot of runs. Score moves on to 52, and here comes the last ball. Last two, beg your pardon. Last two. Short ball, very nicely played. No one patrolling the extra cover region. Is the ball going to go for 4 runs? No, it is stopping inside. They are going for the second run. Sarthak is the batsman. Last ball. 54 is the score. Pretty good and decent score posted here. And this will be an outside edge. Is the ball going towards the fence for 4 runs? Then it gets the boundary. Finally, the boundary comes. No chance. 59 is the target, and we are seeing the run chase. Here comes Pushpushil Desai with his mask on. And it's the right thing, actually, the way the cases are increasing here in the corona pandemic, in the third wave that is coming. I guess everyone should maintain social distancing, also wear masks. No ball signaled here by umpire. Should be free hit. Oh, that's a lovely shot. And fielder is also placed at the right area in the wide of long off and also covers region, because they know exactly where Sanesh plays. They must have played many a times. Pope had a set plan for him. That's the reason why Selvin was kept in that covers region. Oh, this is in the air. This is played very nicely. Should get a boundary. Good effort here from Raja Sawant, but cannot stop that. Wonderful timing shot here from Raji. Winning the first match is going to give you a wonderful momentum in these group stages. This time it should be full toss, wide of Selvin. Should get a boundary because the ball bounces a little bit in front. So Raji is going after Pushpushil Desai in the very first over, taking maximum use of this power play over. Once again, a catch dropped. No ball signal, I guess. We have to wait for umpire signal. No ball, yes. And another free hit. Free hit that was. Umpire forgot that was a free hit. But then he corrected himself. This time, big appeal from behind the wicket, especially from the keeper. No reaction from the batsman at all, and also from the umpire. Maybe there was some sound. Yesterday we have seen one incident where in Super Sports Park, where Ashwin bowling to Elgar, and he was almost hitting below the knee roll. It's a good shot in the covers region. It should get only a single. Meanwhile, after completion of 1 over, the score is 14.
1 wicket. लागे मातशे पेंडला येवचे. ब्लॅक कॅप्स कॅप्टन. ब्लॅक कॅप्स कॅप्टन. तीन ओव्हरी फाटल्यान स्कोर जाला 38. 12 बॉलना 21 रनाची गरज. बारा बॉलना वर